What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a product review / tutorial on the Canon G5X. I think it's a fantastic piece of kit and I use it for all of these videos. It's got a flip out screen, which is great for extended angles, so you haven't got to lie on the floor. It's got full manual capability with images, so you can shoot in RAW, giving you full editing capabilities. Check them out. I'm going to stitch in a couple of images now that are taken with the Dreed. The Canon G5X has fantastic imagery and a focal length of 1.8 up to f16, meaning you can shoot depth of field but also long exposure images. So here's a picture of the depth of field, and then here's another picture of a long exposure at f16 at night. The Canon G5X, I like to call it the Dreed, as its pocket size can easily fit in your pocket if you've got to go on stealth excursions and you can't take a big bag with a big camera. This camera's perfect, slots right in. I use this camera in all conditions. I was in Lisbon, I was getting some B-roll shots of the tide and the waves. The camera took a good old pummeling from the waves. Seemed fine, there was no adverse effects, it handled the water, even though the camera was completely coated. It was good, so I was happy with the way that turned out. Only issue is battery life. I would consider buying multiple batteries, as if you're going to be filming a lot, the batteries do run out fairly quickly. So have a Rambo style strip of them across your chest so you can reload. Another key feature of this camera is that you can focus at incredibly close distances. I think that's fantastic when filming products like shoes, when you're in the street and you've got puddles. I think if you can get close enough and you can see the details of ants, it's just insane. The depth of field and autofocus is also absolutely incredible. I've used this camera for a while now. I highly recommend it. I think it does everything that it needs to be done. Has great quality imagery, great depth of field, and you can get fantastic cinematics for videos. I film all the travel episodes on this camera, and I've also filmed this tutorial / review video on the G5X. I highly recommend it. It's a solid all-round camera, and for a relatively cheap price, you can't go wrong. I'd also like to state that this is not an ad. I just get a lot of questions asking what camera do I use, what lenses, so I wanted to help you guys out by saying this is what I use, and I believe you can create amazing content with such equipment. I hope you like that review and tutorial of such. If you can like, comment and subscribe, I'm going to be doing regular videos on this channel, maybe different product reviews, different types of tutorial, and I'm going to be continuing on with the travel episodes. Got another one in store soon, so check that out. Peace.